heliostats, these revolving mirrors. It's just amazing. Feels like we're looking into the future. Photovoltaic is like one of the fastest growing energy sources in the world at the moment, but these aren't photovoltaics, are they?
No, not at all. They are not photovoltaics at all.
So these
Those
are just
glass, are mirrors, and they are reflecting the light on top of the tower.
The reflected sunlight from the 2,650 heliostats combined can generate enough electricity to power 25,000 homes, but only if they're all pointing in exactly the right spot.
We have to be doing. We have to be very precise in moving the heliostats in the right position to concentrate the light there.
Sunlight is reflected from each heliostat onto a central receiver at the top of the tower. Sodium and potassium nitrate salts are pumped from the cold salts tank up to the receiver, where they absorb the concentrated solar thermal energy, reaching temperatures of up to 565 degrees. The heated salts are then pumped down to the hot salts tank, where they can be stored in a molten state or used to generate electricity via the heat engine. Being able to store energy this way means that solar power can, for the first time, be provided 24 hours a day, not just when the sun's shining.
This is incredible. So what Santiago's telling us is, despite how futuristic this all looks, the actual business end, where they create the electricity, is much the same as any other coal-fired or even nuclear power plant. So see, it's a steam-driven power plant.
We are going to be reducing our costs, but also due to the fact that the oil prices are going up, will make it impossible to burn gas to produce electricity. And then our plants will continue to be delivering cheap and clean energy to our children, let's say.
Is there a way to get totally clean energy with no pollution and unlimited energy? A few miles underneath us is unlimited power, unlimited energy. The deeper you go, the hotter it gets. You take that energy and you bring it up. Is there a way to bring up just the energy?
So we found this material called graphene.
Graphene is a substance that is really made out of graphite, which is like pencil lead, right?
It's 100 times better conductor than copper. It's lighter than air, stronger than steel. If you put 100 degrees here, you get 100 on the other side instantly. In the middle, it's completely cool.
So the heat that you put in gets all the way there. Whether you go 10 feet or you go miles, you could bring up unlimited energy from deep underground to the surface, pollution-free. So if you make me a string, I'll put those strings together and make a cable. Then I'll put the cable underneath the ground. And that cable will bring up the heat. This would be the greatest invention maybe ever. Because if you can get unlimited energy from underneath the earth, pollution-free, that's everything. That's everything. You have no pollution, you have no fossil fuel issues, you have no CO2 coming out, greenhouse gases, none of that. All of that is gone. Here's the answer.